Hello students, today we will discuss about the different classes of food or each foods contains the carbs, proteins and fats. The chemical structure of these substances is described in chapter 4, and in this chapter we will discuss about the carbohydrates, fats and proteins in detail. So let's start with the carbohydrates. So the carbohydrates actually is the most common uh, glucose, starch, cellulose, and all these are the examples of the animal nutrition. Sorry, where we have gone to the chapter number. So here is the carbohydrates. So sugar and starch are important carbohydrates in our diet. Starch is abundant in potatoes, bread, maize, rice and other cereals. Sugar appear in our diet mainly as sucrose and also known as a table sugar, okay, which is added to drinks and many prepared foods such as jam, biscuits, cakes. Glucose and fructose are sugar that occur naturally in many fruits and some vegetables. Although all food provide us with energy, but carbohydrates are the cheapest and most readily available source because actually direct from glucose directly ATP can be produced, and if you eat the proteins and the fats directly ATP will not be produced. Actually, they will first change into carbs and then they will produce ATP. They contain the elements carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Glucose is when carbohydrates are oxidized to provide energy by respiration, they are broken down to carbon dioxide and water. 1 gram of carbs can provide 16 kilojoule of energy. That is very important. If we eat more carbs than we need for our energy requirement, the excess is converted into the liver to either glycogen or the fat. Glycogen is stored in the liver and muscles. The fat is stored in the fat deposit in abdomen, around the kidneys or under the skin. Okay, the cellulose present in the cell wall of the plant tissues is also carbohydrate, but it is not digested in our body. It acts as a fiber in our diet. We probably derive relatively little nourishment from cellulose, but it is important in the diet as a fiber which helps to maintain the healthy digestive system. Actually, the enzyme for the digestion of cellulose is absent in human body, that is the cellulose. So in the next section we will discuss about the fats and proteins. Thank you.